The mystery of the Naga Fireballs. Every year, thousands of people gather along the Mekong River. They wait patiently in the darkness. Some arrive hours before sunset. Others travel hundreds of kilometers to witness a phenomenon they believe cannot be explained by ordinary science. As night falls, eyes focus on the river. The water becomes calm. Conversations grow quieter. Then, according to countless witnesses, it happens. Small glowing spheres suddenly emerge from the river. They rise silently into the air. No smoke, no visible source, no sound. Within moments, the lights disappear into the darkness. For generations, people living along the Mekong River have called these mysterious lights the Naga Fireballs. Some believe they are created by the Naga, a mythical serpent said to live beneath the river. Others argue there must be a scientific explanation. Yet after decades of investigation, debate continues. The mystery remains. The phenomenon is most commonly associated with stretches of the Mekong River near the border between Thailand and Laos. Reports describe glowing reddish-orange lights that rise vertically from the water before fading away. Unlike fireworks, the lights produce no audible explosion. Unlike lanterns, they appear suddenly and move upward at remarkable speed. Witness accounts vary. Some years, only a few lights are reported. Other years, hundreds are allegedly observed. The event has become so famous that thousands of visitors now travel to the region annually in hopes of witnessing it themselves. To understand why the phenomenon fascinates so many people, it is important to understand the Naga. Throughout Southeast Asia, the Naga occupies a significant place in mythology and religion. The creature is typically described as a giant serpent associated with water, rivers, fertility, and protection. In Buddhist traditions throughout the region, stories of the Naga have existed for centuries. Temples often feature Naga sculptures. Legends describe powerful serpent beings living beneath rivers and lakes. For communities along the Mekong, the river is more than a geographical feature. It is part of cultural identity. It provides food, transportation, and livelihood. Over time, stories connecting the river to the Naga became deeply embedded within local tradition. According to one popular belief, the fireballs appear each year as an offering from the Naga to honor the Buddha. For believers, the lights are not mysterious at all. They are spiritual, they are expected, and they serve as evidence that ancient traditions remain alive. Yet not everyone agrees. Scientists and researchers have spent years attempting to understand the phenomenon. One proposed explanation involves naturally occurring gases. Certain organic materials beneath riverbeds can produce methane and other gases during decomposition. Under specific conditions, these gases may ignite. Supporters of this theory argue that natural combustion could explain the lights. However, critics point out several problems. The observed behavior of the fireballs does not always match typical gas ignition events. The lights often appear to rise in a controlled manner. Many witnesses insist the phenomenon seems too organized to be random combustion. Another explanation suggests that atmospheric conditions may create unusual optical effects. Temperature differences, humidity, and reflections can occasionally produce visual phenomena that appear extraordinary. Again, however, the theory remains incomplete. Not every observation can be easily explained by atmospheric conditions alone. Perhaps the most controversial theory emerged in the early 2000s. Some investigators suggested that human activity might play a role. Specifically, they proposed that certain lights could be created by projectiles or other artificial sources launched from across the river. The suggestion generated intense debate. Many local residents strongly rejected the idea. For them, the Naga Fireballs were a long-standing tradition that predated modern explanations. Others argued that some reported sightings might involve multiple causes rather than a single explanation. This possibility remains important. The search for one explanation may oversimplify a complex phenomenon. Different observations could have different causes. Some lights may be natural, others may be man-made. Still others may result from misinterpretation. The challenge is separating fact from assumption. And that challenge becomes more difficult because the phenomenon is deeply connected to culture. When people witness something extraordinary, their expectations influence how they interpret what they see. Believers and skeptics often view the same event differently. One sees evidence of the supernatural, the other sees evidence of a natural process not yet fully understood. Neither perspective necessarily provides a complete answer. This tension between belief and science is one reason the Naga Fireballs continue to follow.
The Naga Fireballs occupy a space somewhere in between. Researchers continue studying them. Witnesses continue reporting them. Visitors continue gathering along the river. And every year, the debate begins again. What exactly are people seeing? Are the lights produced by natural processes hidden beneath the river? Are they linked to atmospheric conditions? Could multiple explanations exist simultaneously? Or does the answer lie somewhere entirely unexpected? At present, no single explanation has gained universal acceptance, and that uncertainty keeps the mystery alive. Perhaps that is why the Naga Fireballs remain one of Southeast Asia's most fascinating unexplained phenomena. Not because we know what they are, but because we do not. The lights rise, the lights disappear, and the questions remain. Along the banks of the Mekong River, thousands continue to watch the darkness each year, waiting, wondering, and searching for answers that may still be hidden beneath the water. Some mysteries are eventually solved. Others remain unanswered for generations. The story you've heard tonight may be one of them. But whether you believe the explanation is scientific, historical, psychological, or something beyond our understanding, one thing is certain: the mystery continues. If you enjoy exploring Thailand's darkest legends, unsolved mysteries, hidden histories, and unexplained phenomena, don't forget to subscribe to Mysteries of Thailand. New mysteries await. Until our next investigation, good night. And remember, not every mystery wants to be solved.